might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid.
Alright, so it's day 2, it's Saturday. So yeah, we got ready. We woke up this morning, just like walked around after like the sun came up and everything, and it was so pretty, like beautiful. Like I love, like if I didn't live in California, I could see myself living in Arizona. Like that's the only other place I think I could live. I mean, as of right now, I haven't been a lot of places. So, but yeah, so I'm waiting here by the Jeep because we can't find our keys. So I think we're gonna go and get some breakfast, and then today we're gonna go check out Angel's area because yesterday we went to the Dodgers and we went to Rockies. So I think today we are gonna go check out the other stuff, and yeah, that should be fun. So yeah, our room is like over here on the corner, like somewhere in there, and then out here we have like the pool, like big, like there's like a big lazy river and a whole bunch of like a pool slide, like a little restaurant. Like there's just so much in there. Like this is a cool little resort, and like the mountains are like are right there. It's like, it's so pretty. So yeah, hoping we find the keys.
Cold beer, right?
Just